তুমি কেমন আছো Amber. Where are you from?
I'm from the UK.
Oh, UK. Yeah, I'm good, thank you. I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, do you know Bangladesh?
I've never been, but I know of it.
Oh, good. My happiness is really going beyond control. That I'm just talking to a British woman. How interesting it is.
Yeah.
You are using a headphone? Okay. How much
Yes, I'm a gamer.
You're a gamer. Okay. So how much it was?
This headset,
Yeah.
I think around 25, 30 pounds.
20 pounds and 30 pounds? Oh, perfect. Good on.
Yes.
Yeah. What do you do? What
It's
do you,
good.
Yeah. Okay. What do you do for life actually?
I game on live.
Yeah.
I do makeup, chats, all of it really. How about you?
I don't do anything actually here, but I have a Facebook page and YouTube channel. I inspire to our people just how we can speak English actually. We have a native language, Bangla. So lots of people are trying to learn English, but they don't know what is the right process. What should we do as a beginner? So I try to inspire them.
There's an app you can download on your phone.
Yeah.
Anything.
Yeah.
Like on your tablet. It's called Duolingo. It's got a little green owl.
Yeah, I got it. But
That's really good.
Yeah. You know what? According to my experience, I try to give the instruction how you can practice the English. By the way, you can get this concept actually. Okay, lots of people doesn't know the grammar, but they want to know how we can speak English. But I'm their teacher. Without grammar, how you can speak English actually? Grammar is undeniably things for practicing English, but definitely you will have to take these grammatical rules in the elementary or secondary life. But now you don't have time to know this grammar.
Yeah. No, I know what you mean.
Yeah, that's why.
Someone said Google Translate. Hero.
No, you know what? We should not. I try to say to my audience that nobody should Google Translate, because suppose sometimes you people use the idiom phrase or you do use the native language like slang language. But when I try to get copy and try to get this meaning by the Google Translator, you may get the asterisk because sometimes we don't get the right meaning actually.
Yeah.
That's why I say please try to think about the way of English. English is the best language actually. So you are one of my best for today. So that's it.
Oh, thank you.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel. Cold, yeah. Here's a cold. It is cold.
Where did you go actually before as a traveler?
I went to Spain.
Oh,
I went
Spain.
to Spain in September.
Yeah, but make a plan to come over in Bangladesh.
I'm coming to New York December. Next December.
In this coming December.
That's a big holiday.
Oh well, very good. So come over in Bangladesh. Once a time, I will help you as an interpreter.
Yeah, maybe I will one day. You never know.
Okay, and lastly, I want to have a request.
Okay.
Can you tell a little language in Bengali? If you just want to know anything in my language, so I will translate just a little bit before finishing this.
Say, how are you, Amber? Which is my name.
Amber. How are you, Amber? Right? The meaning is Tumi kemon acho Amber. Tell with me. So can you talk with me? Tumi.
Say it again.
Tumi
Say it again.
Tumi তুমি
তুমি
কেমন
কেমন
আছো
আছো
আম্বার
আম্বার
so try
Very
again
good.
তুমি কেমন আছো আম্বার can you repeat again one second please তুমি কেমন আছো আম্বার
তুমি sell আম্বার
তুমি কেমন
Second.
তুমি কেমন আছো
কেমন আছো
আম্বার
I can't do it. I've tried. I can't.
Perfect. I'm happy. I'm really so happy that you tried just to pronounce it my language actually. I'm very proud that talking to you actually, rare princess. So I'm really so appreciated for you that hopefully I will see you once again on another day and
Thank you.
have a good day.
Bye.
Okay, bye.